Danny, good morning.
Good morning, Alvaro. Good morning, guys.
Guys, good morning. We are going to start in a couple of weeks a gasoline course and next month transmission course.
Correct.
This is
An incredible course.
it's an incredible course, no? Danny?
And it's a lot of information
Oh, wow.
in a short period of time, but information that'll be well prepared for you guys in a sense that when you get out in the field, they'll be ready to do services and understand the models of the motors, the types of motors, and the type of gasoline motors.
And troubleshooting.
Troubleshooting, especially troubleshooting.
Yeah. Why you think, Danny, that this year we teach those courses millions of times?
Right.
Why you think that this year is different in comparison with previous courses?
I think the reason this course will be different now is because, for one, we have a better system to teach it because we have the videos, which we didn't have before, thanks to COVID.
Yeah.
Really helped us on that. And then also, we bring real life situations to the course. Like in the diesel, they took the engines apart and understand the mechanical end of it. And now when they go in the gasoline course, I don't need to do that. They can concentrate on troubleshooting, doing compression. My goal is
more diagnostics.
more diagnostics, without a laptop, and I'll explain to
correct.
them the reason we don't do the laptop, because there's different softwares for different applications. There is a general software, but it depends on where you work at is where
Yeah, that's incredible, and this is the most important part. And also, our labs every day are better.
Oh yeah, it's real life situation, the troubleshooting, things that are common in the field. We put that in the labs so that way you can troubleshoot it without a laptop and understand how to do drop down tests, which we'll understand that in the classes.
This is a great advantage.
Absolutely, and in that way, when you leave here done with the transmission and the gas or this course, you should be have strong enough ability to do services and somewhat troubleshooting. The new students right out of school are never going to be really troubleshooting. They'll be working alongside someone, but I always tell everybody, be the best helper. That way, by you understanding what you've learned here, you could be the best helper and then eventually move on to being your own mechanic.
This is important, guys, that you keep in consideration, because we are in the industry. Danny in your marina, me in my business, and we work every day in both. And in some cases, we invite our students to our projects.
Yeah. We're not retired mechanics. We're actually still in the field, still doing present day technology. So you guys will be up to present day technology. We're well rounded in various parts of the motors, and not even that. Only that, just electrical and composites.
Composites, gasoline, diesel.
There's no
hydraulic.
course like this. I wish when I was younger that the course like this existed. I'd be so much far ahead, and I would have understand things, because working alongside a mechanic has never been to school, and it's like a skill that's taught from one mechanic to another. Here you have an advantage that you actually have a really solid foundation, so when you work with another mechanic, that everything should just click together and you'll have a better understanding and know that what's right and what's
And
wrong.
additionally, we teach with our own books. It's excellent because it's a good complement.
Yeah, Alvaro's books are very detailed, very helpful. I have a whole set. It's a good reference manual because it's impossible to remember every single thing, but you always have reference manuals to go back. Plus, they have the videos.
Yeah,
I mean, what better deal is that than getting the videos? The videos is a home run.
I am happy. Thank you, Danny.
Yeah, thank you for letting me be a part of it.
We create a good team.
And I'm happy. I think we have a good team here between Alvaro and I, and we strive, in no exaggeration, we strive to be the best. And I think we're pretty much up there. As far as school-wise, as far as the mechanical end of it, we're definitely in the top.
And we learn a lot every day.
Yeah, every day we learn something better, a better way to explain it, because like at my background, I went to school for electrical engineering, and then I decided to be a marine mechanic, and then and thanks to you, I was able to learn how to teach that knowledge that I had to pass on to the next generation. Because the one thing I've noticed over the years is that the skilled workers, skilled mechanics is slowly diminishing, and this is in a way that we give back to the marine industry to provide better technicians, so future mechanics.
That's true. And this business is a wonderful business, the marine business.
There's a lot of money to be made.
I love this business, Danny, because I think that it's different like other areas because in this business, in the marine business, the technician can start to work by itself easily. With a couple of certification, if you are responsible, professional, clean, you can create your own company and start by itself. No?
The only thing I would ask the students, like since we're doing this video, is complete the course. I know you can get a job now and start making money, but trust me, complete the course because there's so much more information that you need to know that you don't know yet. You think you know it all.
There's
important. Just so much more information that still needs to come. And yes, get a job in the field that helps you because that's going to give you some of that experience, and then some of the things that you do, you're going to apply because we've done it here. And you're going to be like, oh, I understand that better. But trust me, if you finish the course, you'll be a more well-rounded mechanic. That's the one problem we have is that people get their skills here and then right away they go get a job and they never finish the course. I think that's great and bad at the same time. Bad in the sense that there's so much more and you can be so much better than what you are now.
Our courses are according with the regulation in the United States for ABYC and the Coast Guard regulations. All of our classes are following ABYC.
Absolutely.
And at the end of each of our course, the student is ready to take the ABYC certification. All of our students pass the certification because they finish well prepared.
Yeah.
Class,
we prepare them well prepared.
And additionally, we have a student of other countries, in Africa, in Europe, in South America, in the Caribbean, a lot of students. Of course, they don't follow the ABYC regulation, but they follow other regulations. Those courses are excellent to prepare for those certifications. No?
Absolutely, yeah. You'll be definitely well prepared after these courses. You have to look at yourselves as far as from when you started from intro to where you are now. Look how much you've advanced to this point.
Yeah, that's incredible.
And just think about what you advanced to this point. So if you finish the course completely, how much more you'll be even more advanced. That you'll feel so much more confident. And Alvaro and I, we just want you to be successful, and because basically you represent us with your skills.
Oh, of course.
You know?
And Danny, other incredible thing is every year we have more ladies in our
absolutely,
classes, no?
More females. I never had the luxury to work along female mechanics because it's really not very common in the industry. Mm-hmm. But being here at the school and see the mechanics, the female mechanics, I've been pretty impressed, to be honest with you.
Let me tell you something, guys. In our classes, especially in the electrical classes, our best students are
usually the females.
The females.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And that's because they pay attention to detail and they're more meticulous. You know, the guys are
the wiring of those ladies is perfect. It's like a original, no?
Right,
better than the original in the boat.
Absolutely. And it's important because the work that you do, whether you're female or male, you have to show that you do good quality work. That's what separates you from a backyard mechanic to a good mechanic. When you do a wiring, it looks nice, and then the other guy has a wiring, it works just as good as yours, but it's a wire nest. And then, so it's not nice, you know? And then it becomes difficult for troubleshooting. That's why we spend the time with the students to provide you why we want it done this way, explain the detail, the way it looks, and every wiring they do, it'll get better and better. It's anything like anything in life. The more you do it, the better you'll get out of your
And also, we have a good couples, wife and husband, taking our classes. Retired people with nice boats, no? Repairing the boat with our recommendations.
Knowledge. With our knowledge that we've given them.
This is nice.
And that's our goal. Our goal is to give you the knowledge that you would not get if you just went to work for somebody and you had to wait for them to teach you. That's how I learned.
Yeah, that's right.
This is so much better. Even Glenn.
Oh, Glenn.
Glenn, my old boss, and even he says he's learned more stuff now just being with me and Alvaro as far as being in the courses that he never really was ever taught. But this is the distinct advantage.
Glenn is part of the group. He's part of the laboratories, and the students love him. It's a lot of tips with.
Well, you think about it. We got such generational information. Glenn and you have been older school mechanics. I'm like the middle school, and these are guys of the younger school. So.
This is the idea, like 4 generations here.
4 generations.
That's for you guys. Thank you for following us. We hope you enjoy the next coming courses, gasoline, diesel, after that auxiliary system, air condition, and composite material. Danny, in the composite course, you have good news.
Oh yeah, the guys they'll be going to my shop, see how the production of a boat, and then also they're gonna do their own stringers. You guys are gonna paint, make non-skid. It's gonna be awesome. You guys are gonna really enjoy the course.
Danny is producing pangas. Pangas 14 feet and 20.
Well, 22. The 22 is on hold now, but the 14 we're concentrating on that. We're almost ready to start producing the mold.
Yeah, those boats that you see on the screen are coming. You are finishing the mold, no?
Yeah,
right
we're
now.
finishing the plug.
Plug, yeah.
Right now, next weekend, we're painting the tooling gel coat for make the molds.
In the next coming course of composite materials, we are going to upgrade the book, the previous book, and the videos, because we have a lot of new technology, new tips, procedures, no?
Yeah. You know, since like I said, since we've been doing the videos, we've improved the videos with more information. Now that we've seen the videos that we've done in the past, and how much more information we can provide you, because the advantage, kids, as far as the videos is we can provide you so much more information through the videos than we could in a classroom.
Oh, of course.
So by having the classroom, having the videos in the lab, you can't ask for anything better than that. You really can't.
That's true.
You really can't.
And also in our next coming class in October of corrosion, we hope you enjoy that class. This is the course that every day, Danny, according with the follower, is the most important.
It's the most important.
The people ask a lot of questions related with corrosion and electricity. This is the topic, the fundamentals of this program.
This is why that we've taught them the basic and the advanced electricity in the beginning of the course, so that they can see how that all ties in throughout the other courses.
We have some students that they ask to Danny and me, we want to take the course of diesel or gasoline, but I don't like electricity.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way.
And we respond, sorry for you, but if you want to be a successful mechanic, you need be a good electrician.
Alvaro's designed the courses in order is for your benefit, so it makes it easier. So as you go through the courses, you already have a foundation of the electrical. So when you apply electrical on the motor, you apply electrical on the corrosion, you have already an understanding, like the bonding system, the DC circuit, the AC circuit.
Yeah,
that's all important, because all that ties in, whether you think it or not. It all ties in with motors, corrosion, auxiliaries, everything. So
that's true.
It's important.
Okay, we are going to continue creating more material for you guys, and thank you, Danny.
Thank you, Alvaro, and we'll be seeing you in class.
Thank you.